a great pleasure to be here today. Big thanks to Rajat, Kolkata Blades. Big thanks to Anshul. And big thanks to President of Goa Academy. I'm here as a brand ambassador for Kolkata Blades, but also a brand ambassador for our sport, table tennis. I think we have an amazing sport. We are playing, we are winning, we are losing, but we are all getting fantastic experiences. And this is what I think we should bring with us from our sport, that it's not only the winner who is the winner, everyone is a winner by playing this fantastic sport. And a special word to all the parents here. I'm very happy to see you here because your children needs you. Your children need your support. Of course, the children need good coaches, nice academies like this, but parents are extremely important.
Which World Championship was your first title?
Yes, I was part of the Swedish team when we beat China 1989. So that was my first World Championship title. 1989 in team with the Swedish team.